Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, November 8, 2023. Let's find out what is going on the Ether market on Zondacrypto. As you can see, I'm using the Ether to Tether daily time frame chart. What is going on here is very specific because just the recent movement to the upside, you can see it here, has gathered right now. Let me just take a look with the magnet. I guess it would be at least 20%. There you go, 25%. Very nice bounce from the lows. Let's just make our lows visible. So this is the technical support, and of course it will be the technical support as long as it's not violated. The other, of course, technical support might be located a little bit higher, 1,536, and the other one right now is definitely located at 1,755, and this one has been tested already. Okay, so we got this movement to the upside after the support is tested. So the technical support at 1,753 has been tested and recognized by the market participants. All right, nice. Any other support? I think that maybe, just maybe, there is one more. Let's risk and make it on the chart. Let's put it on the chart. 1,860 might be the technical support as well. Okay, so where is the next target? The next target is the last swing high at 1,951. So we will make it technical resistance, and the ultimate target is of course located above the level of 2,000, which is 2,133, and just above it there is another level swing high of this year at 2,140. So it all looks very bullish. It all looks very good for the bulls. Of course, if we, let's say, if we leave our chart like this, we might wonder whether this movement to the upside is you know, overbought. Maybe anyone overbought? Let's find out. Yes, it's definitely overbought. 14 periods back RSI is showing us, let me just play with my chart again. There you go. 14 periods RSI is telling us that this movement to the upside is already extremely overbought. The market keeps bouncing from the level of the 70 as it moves higher. So after 25% of the gain, the market has been trying to consolidate the gains here, the profits, then broke to the upside with a high at 1,909, then tested the technical support, and now it's ready for another jump. However, this is already the market that has a extremely overbought conditions. So we need some kind of a pullback, of course, and the pullback will happen sooner or later. Nevertheless, for now, it all looks bullish. It all looks very nice. It all looks actually better than expected. And even if we get, let's say, Fibonacci retracement, and let's say we will do the Fibonacci retracement from this high to the low. Okay, so this is the low. Let me just do it the other way around. And this is the high. If we do it this way, okay, it was it was good before. If we do it this way, then we will see that 50% of the Fibonacci retracement has been broken already, and yeah, and now we are trying to move. Let me just play around with this settings. We are trying to move above the 61%. So that's the last level ahead of the full swing. So this is the percentage on the top and on the right. There you go, and we got our 61% level, 1,905. Well, the high was 1,909, but you might now be assured that this level will play a great deal during this next potential breakout to the upside or full reversal. That's very interesting situation because this movement to the upside looks very impulsive. We can see that there is a 5-wave upward movement. Let me just take my Elliott wave tool. So if we can figure it out that way, Yeah, there's a 3, there's some sort of the wave 4, and this is the wave 5, and 3 is here. Okay, so some sort of the wave 4 is here, and then wave 5 had been completed just at 61%. Now it's the time for a correction. So because it's the time of the correction, let me put the last thing on this chart, which will be the arrow. If the level of 1905 is not clearly violated and there's no follow up with this breakout, we should see decline towards the bottom of the wave 4 around 1753, and when the decline is done, then we should see attack for the yearly high at over 2000 tethers. So this is my analysis of the tether, of the Ether to Tether. Thank you very much for watching it. I hope it was very nice and helpful to you. See you guys next time. Bye bye.